This one is a newer design. It's better, more efficient than the previous. This is the previous. It's got thicker walls and you can see light to it, which doesn't hurt it. It's still sturdy, but instead of having this round knob on top, there's going to be a square. The walls are going to be thinner here. That's just wasting material, and here also. And it's going to be smaller in diameter and shorter to help with waste of material. So this is what it's going to look like here. And I'll show you also on the other app. This is the new and improved knob from the last one. As you can see, it's got the square on here instead of the round, and the diameter is going to be smaller. And on the bottom, as you can see the walls, how thin they are. This is the skirt is not really used for anything. It's not. It has nothing to do with the integrity of the part, so I did some major thin down there, and also here I thinned it out some, not by much, but I left about 200 thousandths on the OD there to strengthen the ID, and then here that's like just 50 thousandths, and it's a lot better. Overall, I think this is going to be a better product. But got one printing out, and we're going to see how it's going to do. Looks great. That skirt's really thin, and I think it's going to come out great. That's exactly what we wanted. Alright, here's the part I was worried about, is printing the cap. Looks like it's going to do it. The first layer or two probably ain't going to do good. Of course, as you can see, it's falling. That don't matter, as long as I made it good and thick. I don't remember the thickness that I made. I'm hoping that I took that into consideration. We'll find out shortly. And hopefully it covers it really nice and neat. This first layer will be weak, and then as the layers go on, it'll finally start catching and make it solid. And then when it's done, when you flip it over, you'll see webbing, just like spider web, and that's going to be that there, which it doesn't matter. As long as I have a good thick surface is all that matters. Looks like it's printing really well. The handle on the knob is being printed now. Finish the top. It's really warm. Once it dries, it gets really hard. It's good in there. I have to clean it out a little bit. So by doing this, I knocked an hour off of the cut. There's an hour's, a whole hour's different. So this took an hour and a half to make. This one only takes 30 minutes for a complete part.